Kukunin nyo pa sa kanila yon para bumili ng Rolls Royce?
You're teary-eyed.
Yes, because I'm very upset. No, because I see people having a hard time. And and they don't deserve it. Mabuti mga kumasamang tao yan. Dapat parusahan. Hindi naman eh. Walang ginawa yan kundi magtrabaho. Kundi mahalin ang pamilya. Ba't mo paparusahan? Para magpayamang ka? That makes no sense to me.
Sa dami ng sakit ang ulo niyo po, do you ever regret being president?
No. Not for
You didn't even pause to think.
Not for one moment.
Why?
Because I am given the opportunity to actually, the privilege, the opportunity and the chance to actually do something. All of the things that I complained about all my life, now I can do something about it. And that is the greatest privilege that anyone can be granted. So no, I don't regret.
I would think it's heartbreaking when you see all these Filipinos working so hard, tapos on the flip side, nakikita ko nyo yung massive corruption na nangyayari, no? I mean...
No, I'm not disheartened. I'm not disappointed. I get very, very angry. How can you do this to people that have worked every day of their lives? Walang ginawa ito kundi magtrabaho. Nagsakripisyo ng mahirap for very little. Just to be able to send money home, just to be able to feed their family, send their children to school. That's all they want in life. Kukunin nyo pa sa kanila yon para bumili ng Rolls Royce. They keep saying, how about if these are your friends? How about if these are your kaalyado? I said, what can you do? You know, and I said, we're making an omelet. We're going to have to break some eggs. There's just no way around it.
Even if they're relatives as well.
Well, who's more important? Your friend? Your political supporter? Or every single ordinary Filipino citizen? Who's more important? To me, it's the Filipino citizen. Nobody is more important than Filipinos. Nobody, not one person is more important. Not me, not anybody is more important. Whatever it is that's going to be good for Filipinos, you sacrifice that for the Filipinos. That's what being a good Filipino means. You make sacrifices for the country, you make sacrifices for your people.